Hey there, fellow dowsers. Thank you so much for tuning into this video about clearing physical allergies. If you're someone who's curious about dowsing, and especially dowsing for allergies, because allergies are getting worse all over the world according to the World Health Organization, my book, which was a bestseller on Amazon, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, is for people of all dowsing levels. And at the end of the book, the last section is all about how to bring yourself, your family, your animal friends back to wellness by dowsing and releasing emotions and energies that are harmful to us on planet Earth. So, the first thing is about physical allergies, and this does not replace any information your doctor may give you. It doesn't replace doctor medication, doctor care, anything like that. Allergies are so pesky, and you could just be walking down the street and start sneezing and such. And what I do when that happens, wherever I happen to be, in a store somewhere, even at home, I get up in the morning and just start sneezing and my nose is running, what's going on? First thing I do is identify if it's a physical or emotional allergy. Now, if you're just starting out with this, you absolutely must ask your dowsing, do you know what an allergy is? Because when I first started doing this, I was getting all kinds of weird results. And then I asked my dowsing, do you know what an allergy is? I said, no. Do you know what a sensitivity or an intolerance is to substances? No. So what I do is I will go online and I'll look up the definitions, even though consciously and subconsciously I know what it is. Okay, but the dowsing is like, no, we don't know. So I will read the definition and then test again. So dowsing, do you know what an allergy is, a sensitivity, an intolerance? And these are my yes answers and these are no answers. And I do muscle testing. I can use the pendulum, you can use the pendulum, whatever you want to do. So do I have permission now to identify any physical allergies that, like my immune system feels certain substances dangerous to me, and creates a reaction, such as a runny nose or a little ickiness in the sinuses, a draining sinuses, coughing, sneezing? I do have permission? Okay, good. So I'm going to test right now. I bought some new coffee, some chocolate mint coffee, and I just want to, here it is right here, douse on this, connecting into the energy of this coffee. My body, human Colleen's body, has allergies, sensitivities, or intolerances to this new chocolate mint coffee, to the coffee grinds that I bought in the bag, to the bag itself. A lot of times we have allergies to containers and we don't even realize it, right? Allergy sensitivities and intolerances to the half and half creamer I put in, to the stevia I put into this coffee. Okay, so it's 100% about the container and the chocolate mint coffee. I'd like to scramble the energy and neutralize now. All allergy sensitivities and intolerances to the chocolate mint coffee, to the container it came in, the bag, any flavorings, whatever went into it. I neutralize and scramble the energy to allergy sensitivities and intolerances to that new bag of chocolate mint coffee I just bought, and so it is. Okay, so I'm connecting again into the energies of that coffee. My body, human Colleen's body, has allergy sensitivities and intolerances to that coffee, the packaging, anything in that coffee, the creamer, the stevia, anything. I'm just double checking on the other stuff, right? This is how I get neutralize and scramble the energy of allergy sensitivities and intolerances to physical things. Thank you. Bless you for being a dowser. Bless you for being a holistic healer. Know that you are a treasure, okay? You are loved more than you know. Peace out. Namaste. Subscribe to my bi-monthly newsletter and get 10 free chapters of Fearless Accurate Dowsing. There are links to all my Amazon books on the homepage, emorescue.com. Thank you.